Good morning, Instagram land. Dave Quinn here. I'm actually in the car drop-off line. Actually, I'm on my second pass. It's raining today, and so dropped Presley off at her school and saw something amazing. So amazing that I thought I need to jump on Instagram, circle back around, and share this because it's just truly amazing, I think. So it's pouring rain here, and so a lot of people are dropping their kids off, and I just thought I saw a perfect example of leadership. If you think you want to be a leader, you think being the boss is about being in charge and getting to do what you want and all that thing, I want to give you an example of servant leadership. And so as we roll through here, just keep your eye on something special that you'll see here. I'm going to flip the camera around so you see it. So here's what I'm looking at. Car line, we're pulling up to the front of the school. Again, it's pouring rain. And this is not unusual. This happens all the time. This is the principal at my daughter's school. You can see him dressed in full rain gear, with an umbrella, waving, telling everybody, have a good day, high-fiving the students in the pouring rain. So that's servant leadership. And if you're looking for an example, that's it. If you want to know how to make your schools better, hire people like that. Mr. Perry is just phenomenal. And just wanted to share that with you. So hope you enjoyed it. Servant leadership. Talk to you later.